Hello, welcome back. So here I am sharing the to the point notes based on Ghatna Chakra PYQ book PDF. The chapter name is Stone Age. So whatever I have noted and the important informations I will be sharing here. So it is around 2.5 pages, right? So I am gonna share with you. So listen very carefully, and I wish it will help you in your competitive examination. Robert Bruce Foote was a British geologist and archaeologist. He discovered first Paleolithic tool in India. He is father of Indian prehistory. Okay. Then domestication of animals began in Mesolithic period. Earliest evidence of domesticating animals is found in Adamgarh, Bagor. So Adamgarh is in Hoshangabad, Madhya Pradesh, and Bagor is in Bhilwara, Rajasthan. Then bone ornaments in the Mesolithic context obtained from Sarai Naharrai, Mohadaha. Okay, and there is another site called Damdama. So here 3 human skeleton in a single grave were recovered, and from the site Sarai Naharrai, a grave with 4 human skeletons has been found. Next is a cultivation of cereals. It was first started in Neolithic age from Koldi Hawa at Mehergar. Rice and wheat have been found. The earliest evidence of man in India is found in Narmada River Valley 1982, and the first cereal used or cultivated by man was barley, and earliest evidence of agriculture in India is found in Lahura Deva, that is in Uttar Pradesh. So if Lahura Deva is not an option, then Mehergar would be the right answer. So remember this, right? And Mehergar has revealed the earliest evidence of settled life. Copper age is also known as Chalcolithic age. The cultural remains from Stone Age to Harappan civilization have been obtained from Mehergar, that is in Balochistan, Pakistan, and Nova Datoli, it is in near Indore, Madhya Pradesh. This site revealed round and rectangular residential structure, and it was excavated by H.D. Sankalia. Remember the name, because whatever I am sharing, it is some PYQs are there, at least one PYQs were there, because all the I collected from the PYQs and the explanations given below the question. Then Mandi, another site in UP, and it is considered as the peripheral to the main distribution area of the Harappan civilization. Then a hoard of jewelry was discovered during excavation by D.V. Sharma. So in this site Mandi, a hoard of jewelry was discovered during excavation by D.V. Sharma. Okay. Then Ahor civilization, Ahor civilization. So it belonged to Chalcolithic period, flourished around Mewar, Rajasthan, and they knew copper smelting, black red colored pottery decorated with white geometric design have been found here in Ahor civilization. Okay, so this you should remember these points about Ahor civilization. Then megaliths have been identified as burial sites, and ash mound is associated with the Neolithic site at Sangana Kalu, and also found in Pikalihal and Utnur. So the site Sangana Kalu, where ash mound is found, it is located in Karnataka. Then Bhimbetka, so it is located 45 km west of Bhopal, and it is famous for rock paintings. There are 133 pictures in 700 rock shelters. It is located in the foothills of the Vindhya mountains and situated in Abdullaganj Raizen district of Madhya Pradesh. So question was also asked where Bhimbetka is located. So remember this, Abdullaganj Raizen district, Madhya Pradesh. Then rock cut paintings of Ajanta and Bagh related to post-modern period. Then Amaravati, famous for cairn architecture, it was built during the Sungo or Satvahan period. Then Bhimbetka caves first visited by V.S. Wakankar or Vishnudhar Vakankar. Same, the spelling was different in two different questions, so remember this, V.S. Wakankar or Vishnudhar Vakankar. Okay, the ochre colored pottery OCP was christened at Hostinapur. It was discovered and named by Bibi Lal in 1951. Then in the Chalcolithic period, people of Maharashtra buried their dead under the floor of their houses. So this was the part of Jodowe culture. Okay, Maharashtra. These sites are found in Daimabad, Inamgaon, then Nevasa, Chandauli, etc. Burja home site, that is in Kashmir Valley, has yielded skeleton of the dog along with human skeleton in burial. So Burja home is famous for pit dwellings and Neolithic tool industry. Then there is Chandroketugarh located in West Bengal. It is famous for terracotta work, and Ganeshwar, that is in Jodhpur, Rajasthan. It is famous for copper artifacts. Then in Lekha Hiya rock shelter of Vindhyas, a maximum number of human skeletons have been found. So in Lekha Hiya, it is a site, rock shelter of Vindhyas, where maximum number of human skeletons have been found. Then Stone Age people of Vindhyas migrated to the Ganga Valley in terminal Pleistocene period. Because of climate change, Vindhya Valley became dry. Then Archaeological Survey of India comes under Ministry of Culture. It is an autonomous organization. Okay, and National Human Museum, that comes under this ministry, National Human Museum. It is located in Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. So these are the points I have noted from PYQs and its explanation given in the Ghatna Chakra book. Okay, so I hope it will help you. So listen it carefully and listen multiple times so that you can retain the information. Thank you.